Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Want to smash those boundaries and pile on huge scores in Dream Cricket 25? Perfecting your batting timing is the ultimate key to consistent success in the game. It truly transforms your gameplay, allowing you to hit the ball with power and precision every single time you step up. We'll show you exactly how to read the bowler, anticipate the delivery, and execute your shots like a true professional. Get ready to dominate the pitch with significantly improved batting. The secret to perfect timing starts with keen observation. Focus intently on the bowler's arm action and their release point as they deliver the ball. Fast bowlers often have a higher arm, while spin bowlers use more wrist in their action. Learn to recognize these subtle visual cues as they offer crucial seconds to prepare your shot. Anticipating the ball's trajectory and speed from the very beginning will allow you to position your bat perfectly. This early read makes all the difference. Once you've read the bowler, quickly decide on your shot. Are you looking to drive, cut, or perhaps flick the ball? Align your intended shot with the ball's expected line and length. As the ball approaches, a small but critical green timing window will appear on your screen. This window signals the exact moment to tap for optimal contact. Practice reacting swiftly to this visual cue. Hitting within this window ensures maximum power and incredible accuracy, making your scoring soar. Every ball type demands a slightly different timing approach. For those lightning-fast Yorkers and bouncers, you'll need to prepare earlier and tap your screen much quicker than usual. Spin bowling, however, requires more patience. Wait for the ball to complete its turn after pitching, then play your shot through the line. Understanding these nuances is crucial for consistent performance across all phases of the game. Experiment in the nets to feel these subtle, yet important, differences. The ultimate key to mastering timing is consistent practice. Spend quality time in the net sessions, focusing on repetition and building that crucial muscle memory. Don't just hit hard. Concentrate on hitting within that green timing window every single time. Also, don't shy away from reviewing your replays. Observing your timing errors can offer invaluable insights, helping you refine your technique with each session. Keep practicing, and perfect timing will become second nature.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.